everyone, welcome back to my channel. In this video we are going to see conjunctions. Before that, kindly subscribe the channel if you forget to subscribe and click the bell icon to get further notification. Let's get into the video. What is conjunction? A conjunction is a word that joins together words, phrases, classes or sentences. There are two types of conjunction, namely coordinating conjunction and subordinating conjunctions. Further, it is again divided into three: coordinating, correlative and subordinative conjunction. Let's see one by one. First one is coordinating conjunction. These linking words give equal value to the two elements, that is, it may be a noun, adjective or a class which they coordinate. So it is called as coordinating conjunction. These coordinating conjunctions are used in compound sentences. They help in joining sentences and independent classes of equal rank. First is cumulative conjunction, that is and, also, as well as are the conjunction words. Choice conjunction, or else, otherwise. Next one is contrast conjunction, yet, but, still, nevertheless, whereas, while. Next one is consequence conjunctions. Here, so and so, therefore, consequently, for. These join similar structures together, that is noun plus noun, phrase plus phrase, class plus class, sentence plus sentence, prefix plus prefix. For, and, nor, but, or, yet, so. These are the conjunctions. You can remember as fanboys as acronyms. Noun plus noun example. She wore a hat and a coat. So hat is a noun, coat is a noun. We are using and. We couldn't decide where to go by car or by train. So there is phrase. We couldn't decide whether to go by car, another choice, by train, another choice. So we are giving here or. Next is class plus class. I don't like ice cream, nor do I like popcorn. So here we are using nor. He went home for it had made him feel sad. He went home dash she had made him feel sad, and for she had made him feel sad. The pro and anti-hunting activities protested loudly. Here pro and anti are linked by the conjunction and. So and is used for addition or for alternative, but for contrast. Yet also used for contrast, nor as for negative. Examples: the graduate student had to teach section and take classes. Here and is the coordinating conjunction. The service animal was not a pony but a miniature horse. Pony or the here but we are using. Let's see to the next example. He was exhausted yet very happy. Here yet is the coordinating conjunction. Next example. Mary had not gone to the store nor had she visited the gym. Here nor is the coordinating conjunction. You can easily remember by the link word fanboys. There are only 7 of these and they are easily to memorize if you use the mnemonic device fanboys. For, and, nor, but, or, yet, so. So this is called as mnemonic device. It is called for fanboys for coordinating conjunction. Let's see the example for coordinating conjunction. I go to the park every Sunday for I love to watch the ducks on the lake. Here for is the conjunction. I watch the ducks on the lake and the shirtless men playing saucer. So here and is the conjunction. I don't go for fresh air nor for the ducks. I just like saucer. Nor is the conjunction. Saucer is entertaining in winter but it's bit better in the heat of summer. But is the conjunction. The next one is subordinating conjunction. Subordinating conjunction are the words that join two classes, one being subordinate to the other. They are just used in join complex sentences. These subordinate conjunction or linking words are often used to expand or further describe the main class or element, as, because, since for cause, so that for purpose, although, though for contrast, after, before, until, while for temporal, if, unless, provided, whichever, whenever for conditional. Linked words are although, before, once, that, when, whether, as, how, since, though, whenever, while, because, if, then, until, where, why. So these are the linked words. A white bus is the conjunction for subordinating conjunction keyword. A for although or other. WH words whenever, when, what, which, like that. I, if, in case, in order, that, then. T for though, till, that. E for even though, even if. B for because, before. U for until, unless. S for since. Let's see the examples. First one is after. After tells us about order or sequence. I can pass after the green light is on. Next one is because. Because is used to show reason. She usually eats at home because she likes cooking. Although. Although is used to show two opposite statements. Example, although he speaks seldom, he says meaningful words. Next one is but. But is used to join two ideas that are opposites. I am very hungry, but the fridge is empty. Besides. Besides means in addition to. Also. It is a preposition. Example, she speaks three languages besides Spanish. Next one is despite. Despite is used to introduce a fact that is in sharp contrast with another fact. Example, despite all her faults, everybody likes her. Provided. Provided means if or only if. Example, they can listen to music provided they disturb nobody. Next one is unless. Unless means except on that condition. Example, you don't need to go unless you want to. The next one is unlike. Unlike means different from, not similar to. Example, Jack is completely unlike his father. Next one is therefore. Therefore is used to show the result or effect of an action. Example, she came first, therefore she got a good seat. Next one is since. Since is used to show result. Example, since I see you, I am better. Next one is so. So is used to show result. Example, whoever says so is a liar. Next one, if. If is used to show condition. Let me know if you go to the school. Next one is yet. Yet shows contrast or joins opposites. Example, we haven't finished eating the watermelon yet. Now let's see a few examples for subordinating conjunction. Because of him, I learned how to start my own business. Everything will fall into place if you start at the beginning. Until you try, you will never know. I add a new entry to my gratitude journal when I wake in the morning. As I write this letter, I know I must say goodbye. Next one is correlative conjunctions. These conjunctions are words that are always used in pairs to join sentences. The pairs are both and, either or, neither nor, whether or, not only but also, such that, scarcely when, no sooner than, as, so that, rather than. Correlative conjunctions definition. These are pairs of coordinating conjunctions. These pairs must be used together. Like coordinating conjunction, correlative conjunctions describe equal elements. Both and, not only but also, are used for combining or addition. Either or, whether or not, this is binary choice. Neither nor is for negative. Next we can see examples. These conjunctions come in pairs and both parts must be used to make sense. Both and connects two items. She is both beautiful and smart. Next example, not only but also. It is emphasizing second of two things. He is not only going to France but also to Bolivia. Next one, either or. So choice between two options. You can either send a letter or email to the school. Neither nor. So no choice of the two. Neither Susan nor Anne went to the party. Next one is whether or. It represents conditional clause. It's debatable whether tennis or golf is more popular. As shows the comparison between two things. The water in the swimming pool was as cold as ice. No sooner than shows one thing after another. Example, no sooner had he left work than he got a call to return. Next one is such that shows an extent or consequence. It was such a hot day that the tarmac melted. As many as shows two similar amounts. Example, there were as many people as we had expected. So these are correlative conjunction. So this correlative conjunction connects two equal grammatical terms. So, if a noun follows both, then a noun should also follow and. Common pairs include both and, whether or, either or, neither nor, not but, not only but also. Let's see few more examples. First one is both and. Michael can both read and write. Not only but also. Not only Mary but also Gabriel is from Italy. Either or. I can have either cola or tea. So as her story is not so boring as theirs. No sooner than we had no sooner gone to the bed than the phone rang. The more, the more. The more you can dream, the more you can do. So that my mother speaks so quickly that nobody understands what she says. Next one is hardly when. I had hardly closed my eyes when she came, such that she is such a smart boy that he passes his maths exam successfully. Neither nor, neither George nor his brother is very tall. Whether or, we must do it whether he likes it or not. As he is not singing as loudly as he can. Rather than, I would rather go out than stay at home today. Scarcely when, scarcely had I gone to bed when the doorbell rang. Let's see a few more examples for correlative conjunctions. I want either the pink sofa or the purple one. I will study both English literature and art history. I didn't know whether you would want milk or cream, so I grabbed both. Why do you want to visit neither Ireland nor Scotland? I took not only the pink sofa but also the Tiffany lamp. Here, either or, both and, whether or, neither nor, not only but also are called as correlative conjunction. If you use either, we should use only or. If you use both, you should use only and. If you use whether, you should use only or. If you use neither, you should use only nor. If you use not only, you have to use but also. These are the pairs. We should not mischange these words. Let's see few more examples. The paper's results were both impressive. Here we used both, so you have to write and innovative. I will not only grow the cells for the essay but also interpret the results. The daughter bought not only a designer purse but also a custom wallet. Harry will go to the market or the mall this afternoon. I neither want to clean my room nor desire to go caroling. So here we have used the correlative conjunctions. Hope you understood the video. Thanks for listening to the video. Kindly subscribe the channel if you want more weekly updates, and don't forget to click the bell icon for further more updates.